Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax. We're in Taylorsville today, and we have this red brick Rambler with solar on the back side of the home. It's 2 years old and it will be paid off. And the roof was replaced on the front side of the home, I believe, recently, and the back side a little bit later than that, but the whole roof has been replaced in recent years. There's also an RV pad here. So it has a gate in the back that could be removed if you wanted even more RV pad length, but for now there's a fenced in RV pad area there. I'll take you on the home and point out some of the features as we go, but a lot of the bones of this home have been upgraded and maintained. Okay, so here in the entryway we've got the living room for upstairs, and it is a very good size living room. There's can lights added in here as well. And then we've got a coat closet here. And this kitchen has a solid surface countertop with the seamless sink built into it. There's a nice tile backsplash, a lot of space. And then we have the stainless steel appliances as well. The sellers are willing to leave the fridge, so this will be included. And then we'll start this way over here. There's some bedrooms. So here we've got the master bedroom, and you can see this is a good sized bedroom as well. They've got updated dual pane windows. We've got 2 closets. So here's closet 1, and then we've got another closet here as well. And we've got the second bedroom on the main floor right here. So this one's a pretty spacious room. It has an extra nook over there where there probably was a closet, but they just put a dresser in there instead to create more space. And here we've got a nicely updated bathroom. It looks like granite countertops and then a nice laminate wood floor. And there's a third bedroom slash game room or potential salon, if that's something that you would like, over here. So we do have a closet over here in this bedroom, but this one's pretty big. They're using it as kind of an activity room, I guess you could say, but there is plumbing available. And so if somebody would want to do a salon, it'd be perfect for that. Now we have the laundry room here. It's a 2-car garage. They're loading up now, so we'll just skip that part. And then I'll take you downstairs. All right, so down here we've got a pretty spacious living room, and these are all set up on dimmer switches. So we've got can lights that can dim up and down for your entertainment area, but we've got 3 bedrooms down here. This one is bedroom 1. A pretty good sized closet right here, and then another one here under the stairs. So 2 little closet areas on this bedroom. And then this is more of a storage closet. Let's just put your storage in there. Here's bedroom number 2 down here. It's a pretty good size as well. And this way we've got bedroom 3. So this is the 3rd bedroom down here in the basement, making it a 6-bedroom home. We have the closet right here, access to the bathroom right here as well. And in here, this drywall was cut out on purpose for the AC line installation. So about a year ago, they upgraded the furnace. So this furnace is about 1 year old, and they upgraded to the high efficient style furnace and a high efficient AC unit as well. And so they ran the ducting for that out there, and they accessed it through there. So anyway, that will be patched and painted in the next couple weeks prior to closing. But yeah, this is all pretty new. The water heater was also replaced about a year ago as well. So okay, now I'll take you out to the backyard. All right, so back here, we've got a nice covered patio. They got the cool lighting up here. And then down here, about a year ago, I think, they put in these nice patio pavers. And so this is all new. And we've got a shed that'll be included. And then I'll show you this RV pad. So over here, you can remove this fence if you want more RV pad space, and you can pour more concrete or gravel. But for now, they store their Suburban back here. But yeah, it's a concrete RV pad here. You can enter the garage through the side door. So yeah, lots of space on this side yard. It's got a nice vinyl fence all around the perimeter of the backyard. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout as well as some of the features of this home. If you'd like to come and see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.